Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day. I'm just here quickly unboxing something super exciting that I have been waiting for a long time, and you will see what it is. So I've already cut open the box, and what is this? Ooh. Oh, it's a little bit mistreated. I was hoping it would come out in mint condition. It is not, but that's okay. So, it is the Holo Taco nail polish and holographic top coats. I purchased the box. Let's see if we can adjust this a little bit bigger. And carefully open this. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. So, wow, it looks so much prettier in person. You can see the titles shift color. They are warm. I just got it today. I waited over a month to receive these. So this one here is the linear Holo Taco. Let's see, focus, there we go. Flaky Holo Taco. And already in comparison, you can notice the difference, how this one's chunkier and this is finer. The scattered Holo Taco. So in comparison, you can see how the one in the middle is more fine, and the one on your left hand side is a little bit thicker on the glitter. And of course this one, well, it's more chunkier pieces, finer pieces. So that's how they look. And last but not least, the one coat black, World Tea Blue. So let's go ahead and open these guys up. So I saw a lot of people struggling to open their boxes, so I decided to use this to open them and not tear the packaging, because come on, the packaging is absolutely stunning. Usually I do not keep any packaging, but I'll definitely be keeping this one here. So I love how the top has that indented image. So pretty. And well, as many of you have, oh no, this does not have the name on the bottom. Aw, It happens with mass production where they miss something. This is a 1 quart black. Hopefully the Royal Tea Blue has it. Yes, it does. Royal Tea Blue. The good thing that the packaging has a name, so no biggie. Flaky Holo Taco. Let's focus. Look at that. Beautiful. Linear Holo Taco. Okay. And last but not least, Scattered Holo Taco. And again, in comparison, it's, let's do the back. One's finer, the other one's, again, more scattered, and also it is bigger glitter, like medium. So fine, medium, and larger with, to me, it looks like it has tinsel in there. On some I've seen where it's like flaky, but I feel like this is more tinsel. I think once I put it on a nail, I will be able to see, because I'm assuming that flaky is more of like chunkier pieces and like thinner and irregular holographic glitter pieces. But I also see like bars of holographic glitter. So maybe once applied, maybe I'll see that irregular. Interesting. I mean, I do see pieces of irregular. Oops, focus. Irregular. We won't know until we apply. But this looks like pieces of what is called bar, because those little straight lines. I don't know. Let me see. Trying to focus here. Or at least for my understanding, when it's flaky, it's more like pieces, like flaking polish or something. Well, this is my unboxing of the Holo Taco polishes. I'm excited to see what this is, because again, I'm seeing more like a bar tiny glitters and not so much flaky. But here are the polishes. Well worth the wait. Sad about not having the name on this one, but like I said, they'll be kept in their boxes, so it will be okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. May you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye.